Yes. Are we outside? Christian, are we outside? Yeah. Is that your favorite place to be?
Dada.
Dad doesn't work.
Dada.
Yeah, Dad doesn't work. Where are you? Christian, where are you? Can you say outside?
Dada.
No, that's Dada. Say outside. No, gonna be shy. Huh?
Dada.
Yeah, Dad is still at work, baby. You want to talk too? Hey, sissy. What's up, Reagan? What's up, Reagan girl? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? You dancing. Oh, you're so cute. All right. Can you say bye-bye?
Dada.
Christian, say bye-bye.
Dada.
Oh, you stinker. Reagan, can you say bye-bye? Yeah, what's Suki doing? Hi, can you say bye-bye?
Baba.
Good girl. Love you.